It's a beautiful day in Lake Norman today, and a great day to give you another video of the QualiCare Maids home cleaning service and what we do and the areas we serve. We are now in Lake Norman, North Carolina, and we're just going to take you through what we do as a cleaning company. This is one of our customers in Lake Norman, and we're going to take you in just to give you an idea of what we do. This area has been cleaned already, and as you can see, it's beautiful. This area has also been cleaned, and of course the kitchen has been cleaned. Kind of giving you a tour and giving you a video of what we do at QualiCare Maids. As you can see, everything is looking spectacular. This is an area that we have to do now, and like I say, we're just kind of giving you a view of what we do at QualiCare Maids. Stay tuned, and as I say, the spring is coming in, so you really want to get a spring cleaning done to your home, so your home looks as beautiful as this home. Again, at QualiCare Maids, we are one of the top rated services in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, and this is what we do. We clean nice houses, and we clean houses that need organization and deep cleaning. Thank you and have a great day. And don't forget to contact QualiCare Maids at 704-218-9645. Again, thank you and have a great day. Thank you for tuning in to QualiCare Maids of Charlotte, North Carolina. At QualiCare Maids, we never have to say we're the best company. We let our videos, photos, and customers say that for us. So all these companies that have time to say, we're the best cleaning company, we do this, we do that, we're giving you live video of our cleanings. We're over in Lake Norman today, and this kind of gives you an idea of what we do at QualiCare Maids. We've had customers that ask us, how come you guys don't do regular home cleaning videos? All you guys do is the home organizing and the cluttered homes. So today we decided to change pace and show you that we do upscale homes, and we do homes that are a lot cleaner than some of the cluttered homes you've seen in the past. Okay, this home has just been cleaned, as you can see, and just to give you an idea of what we do at QualiCare Maids. Now, we're just going to kind of stand back and just show you what we do here at QualiCare Maids. And as I say, today, we are coming from Lake Norman, North Carolina, and we hope you enjoy our videos, because what we try to do is show people that when it comes to cleaning, you don't have to say you're good to be good. Here's another room here. Give you a little light, and as you can see, bathroom, everything is clean. Now, to walk you through, just to give you an idea of what we do at QualiCare Maids. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you will stay tuned to our other videos, and we want you to have a great day and a great weekend. And always remember, when you need home cleaning, contact QualiCare Maids at 704-218-9645. We are currently doing business from Raleigh, Durham, all the way down to Lumberton, from Lake Norman all the way down to Rock Hill, and we're now servicing the Wilmington, Cure Beach, Wright Beach area. Thank you and have a great day.